Alpha, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be learning how to start your first design using Photoshop. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right straight into Photoshop. So yes, the first thing you do when you want to enter Photoshop is just click on this your PS, and definitely you have something like this. So there are different ways you can actually use to do this thing. Okay, so you can either double click on this and select any of your images and click on open, and you have your first image open on Photoshop. And if you don't want to do that, you can still definitely come to your file, your new, and you can set your canvas to whichever way you want it to be set. And let's just click on OK, for example. So this is our canvas, and the first thing you're gonna do is just start designing or importing your images and all that, and make sure you're removing this padlock that is right here, just right here. And once you have done that, you're basically good to go. And another way you can also do it is just by clicking Ctrl N on your keyboard, Ctrl New or Command N if you're using a Mac PC. And that is just it basically. So that is how you open your first window file using Photoshop. See you in my next video. Peace. Super Slay.